think real hard. And what it's supposed to do is assess your level of attention or focus. And the more you focus on it, it makes this little ball levitate up in the air as your attention goes up by blowing more air, and go lower by blowing less when you focus less. But what I discovered is that the data stream coming from the NeuroSky board has a lot more data than that that's not being used by the toy. So what I was able to extract was 8 different power bands here of different frequencies of my brain, including, you can see there's the theta waves here, high alpha, high beta, mid gamma. You also get these 2 meters here, which are proprietary from the NeuroSky company, and this is what makes their chip really magical. It actually analyzes all this data and tries to say something about your mind state from moment to moment. And the 2 metrics they give you are this one, which is focus or attention, and this one, which is calmness or relaxation. And the idea is that whenever they're sort of in the middle, that would be a neutral state, and then you can see them dip, and you can also see them peak as mind states change. And so the idea that you could discern that level of information from a single electrode pair on the head is really novel. Like ordinarily you'd actually have to shave patches on your head and use wet electrodes, possibly on abraded flesh. I've done these things before and it's unpleasant. Most people are willing to do them. So this is like a step way in the right direction, right, by comparison. So it's a little disappointing to look at, I know, because I made it sort of a goal to fit everything inside the headset except for the batteries. That's a little wacky looking, but this part here has very little of the original electronics, and it's mostly my stuff. So this is just a debugging interface. This is not like a finished hack or anything. This is a step in the middle. Hopefully this is going to turn into an art project later, but I thought it was maybe amusing enough to go ahead and show you guys now. So that's what I've been hacking on.
Wow!